Starting with raw, unformatted data in Excel and need to calculate payroll? Don't worry. Today, we're building a fully automated payroll system completely from scratch. First, let's turn this plain text data into an official Excel table. Click anywhere inside your data, press Ctrl+T and hit Enter. Now, go to the Table Design tab and rename this table to Attendance. Next, we need shift lengths. Type hours_worked in the next column. Type equals, select out time, subtract in time, and multiply by 24 to convert Excel time into actual billable decimal hours. Perfect. Now let's jump over to our raw employee data set. Just like before, press Ctrl+T to convert this into a table and rename it Employee in the top left box. This names our data sets so our formulas stay clean. To bring the hours over, we link the tables using the employee ID. Under Work Hours, we'll write a sumifs formula. We tell Excel to look at our attendance table, grab the hours_worked, and match them precisely to the employee ID on this row. Finally, let's calculate net pay. Simply multiply the total work hours by the hourly salary rate. Since everything is built using dynamic tables, any new attendance logs you paste in the future will update these paychecks automatically. And there you have it, from raw data to an automated payroll system in minutes. If this helped you clear up your workflow, give us a like and subscribe for more Excel guides.